everybody. Long time no see, like for real. It's been forever. It's been actually since the end of July since I was able to get a video up, so it's been a long 4 months. And this video is just going to be a chatty, quick and fall clean decorate video because I actually filmed this at the beginning of October. And here it is, the beginning of December, and I am just now at the place where I'm able to get this puppy up. So we are going to just kind of catch up with each other. I'm going to fill you in on what's going on, and I'm just going to show you what I did for the fall. Very simple, nothing crazy. Real quick, I wanted to share this rug story with you. I had found the buffalo check mat that goes up underneath the rug, and I wanted to get a new fall rug to go with it, but I could not find anything that I absolutely was in love with. And I'm the type of person, if there's like one thing about it that I'm not happy with or I don't like, then I just don't get it and I wait until I find something that I do like. So for this fall, I just kept our regular doormat with our last name and everything on it just for this year. Maybe next year I'll find something, but anyways, here's the front porch. Very simple. We got those fun boxes for the boxwoods, and I put some pumpkins out. Nothing crazy. And mums. I don't have much luck with mums. They always die pretty quick, but they're just such a pretty fall flower. I always have to get at least a couple of them. So that is pretty much it for the front. So throughout the video, I'm pretty much just going to be filling y'all in on what's been going on over the last few months. To start, at pretty much through most of July and like half of August, we were having car issues, and with a new, well, it wasn't really new, we bought a used car and it had some issues that we were unaware of, so that just kind of put a wrench in everything. And then Peter pretty much started like a second new job, and then I started a new job, and everything hit us all at the same exact time. So it's just been a nutty few weeks. Plus, for whatever reason, every single month since September, let's see, July, August, September, and October, me and my daughter Reese have been sick every month since then. So it's like as soon as we start feeling better, then we would get hit. And it's just silly head colds. It's nothing crazy, but it's just, you know, their head colds are enough to just kind of knock you down and just make you feel icky. So, and here I'm just showing y'all all of my fall decor that I'm going to be utilizing, most of it. Nothing is really new except a couple little things, because I don't have a lot of extra money to spend on decor this year. So these little pumpkins I found at Target in the dollar spot, and I just fell in love with them. They were $1 each, and I could not pass them up. So I'll show you where I put them later. But I think that's pretty much the only thing new other than my fall candle. And it smelled amazing. Fall day, oh, I just absolutely loved it. We burned it all the way to the bottom. So, and I found that at Target too. And this little guy, my cookie jar, I've had for like 6 or almost 7 years. And I got him at World Market, and he's just very fallish looking. Makes me think of fall, so I had to put him out. But anyways, so along with car issues and starting new jobs, it's just been a lot. And if any of y'all, I just want to say, if you have somebody on YouTube that you enjoy watching and you watch regularly, please realize, if you're not one that makes videos, if you just watch videos, that that person, whoever they are, everybody that makes videos, are putting in a ton of endless nights, countless hours of planning, filming, and editing, and uploading, and it's a vicious, continuous cycle that is not easy, especially if you work a regular job and you're trying to do YouTube on the side and build it up. It's so much time. It's very time consuming, and it's enjoyable, but if you don't make videos, then you have no idea what all goes into it, especially if you're trying to put out decent, good quality videos for your viewers, and you're trying to build a relationship with them, and you're trying your best to, reply to every comment and post on Instagram and Facebook and all these things that go along with, social media. Just know that if you do leave a comment and you enjoy watching that person and you leave them a positive, uplifting comment, it means the world to them. Just know that. And for everyone that's been supportive, of me during this time over the last few months that I haven't been able to upload, I just appreciate each and every one of you so much. You have no idea. And my goal is just to hit the 1,000 subscriber mark, which I'm getting closer. I'm getting there. I'm just surprised at, just all the love and support. And so I will get there eventually. I don't know how long it'll take, but if I can just get a system going and stick with it and around my crazy life and schedule. And then on top of that, y'all, I have a 2-year-old. She just turned 2. And we're hitting the, crazy 2 stage. And it's just, whenever you're a mom and trying to build a business on the side and you work and you're trying to be everything else you need to be for your, everybody, it's a lot. So from the bottom of my little pea-picking heart, I just appreciate each and every one of you and just wanted to say thank you again so much. And with that being said, I just wanted to go ahead and take a minute to hear back from you guys, and I would love to hear in the comments some things that maybe y'all would like to see. I usually do like grocery hauls and cleaning, motivation, and some seasonal decor here and there. So I will be doing a Christmas home decor tour video that I'll be getting up here hopefully over the next week or so. And I recently got a Sam's membership, so if that's something that y'all feel like you would like to see, definitely leave a comment and I can do maybe like a Sam's budget / grocery haul type video. Oh, and here I'm just sharing with you this gate situation. I had to put the broom in a different place because little miss would definitely get it if I stuck it on the other side. So yeah, so Sam's Club, I love to go shopping like any typical woman, but like I said, I don't have tons of money to spend, so I usually do like Dollar Tree shop with me's and things like that. I do have a Hobby Lobby extremely dangerously close to me, so I can make my way over there and we can go check out what's at Hobby Lobby and all of that fun stuff. So let me know, stop down and say hi, and let me know what y'all would like to see. And if any of you have made it to this point of the video, if you've made it this far, just know that I have some exciting news to share with everybody at some point. I don't know exactly when I'll share the news yet, but just stay tuned and I will be getting that out here shortly as well. So I will go ahead and wrap this video up with a little bit of cleaning motivation for you, and stay tuned for future videos, and I will see y'all next time. Love you. Bye.